Meta back below. Yeah, we are just chopping around here. This market, there's nothing to do here. I'm just gonna go on pause. There is nothing to do here right now. Check, check, check. Okay, it's just right before 10 a.m. here. This DOCU starting to show signs of continued selling. I am up here in these 5650s looking for putting on a short potential day 2 follow through. So gonna see what happens here. It does have that support from the prior day coming up, so that's something to keep in mind. But sometimes these day 2s, especially with that level of sell-off, can go like another substantial leg down. I would like to get it up here though. I don't want to chase down, so we'll see if that actually materializes. Okay, it's a few minutes after 10. I'm getting very close to getting filled on this DocuSign up here in the 50s. What did it get up to? 52 cents. It got 2 cents away. Very close. I'm on the offer there. Got it there. Short DocuSign, 54-cent average, and we are looking for a move back down to 56 and lower. So this is our first target, and then second target would be down near 55. Down here, 55.50 actually. So see if anything comes of this DocuSign for a day 2 follow through. Barely trading, like really light, but these day 2s, they can follow through, so it's worth a shot because of that and the selling that we had on the last session. If there's someone who needs to finish their order, I'm gonna put a just in case we just get a big swoosh down there. I'm gonna just put a bid down there in case we just drop out suddenly, which could happen. Not likely, but could happen. So we'll see. And I might just go back on pause because there's just nothing going on right now. Very quiet market. Very quiet market. We do have Amazon pushing to highs. Amazon looking pretty good. Tesla moving back up to highs. AMD just kind of chop. Everything's really just chopping around. Nvidia pulling back up into the pre-market range. Apple. What's Google doing? Google's trying to get back down to lows. Baba's trying to press up. Look at this daily on Baba. Look at that flag forming. Just Microsoft moving lower. And coin just chopping around. And Meta, I did not actually put that trade on. Just chopping around as well. Amazon leading here to the upside, it looks like. There's Apple on lows. There's Apple. It's about to crack through that 81 pre-market low area. This DocuSign is not going. Microsoft lows. Apple lows. Tesla highs. Tesla pushing 250. Tesla 250. Microsoft new lows. There's DocuSign coming in, starting to come in. Can we get a flush below that 56? Selling, starting. They're hitting the bids. Want to see these bids continue to drop away. Let's see if they flush that 56. Can they keep hitting the bids there? Google and Microsoft, new lows. Here comes more bids getting hit. Will they hit these 56s? Market's starting to get hit. ES starting to crack its pre-market areas. Apple, new lows, hitting pre-market lows. Here comes 56 on DocuSign. Can we get it? They're hitting it. There's the 90s. Are they still hitting it? Looks like they're still hitting it. I'm going to take 2 off here. And what did I get? 11 cents. Yuck. Not a good execution there. Lost about 20 cents on that execution. That was not good. I could have done better to have gotten a better price on those. Go back and have to review that. I still have a third of my position left, and I want to see if we get down to here. I am going to put a pretty tight stop on this. Just gonna lock this in. Can we get another push down in DocuSign? '90s. Also, Microsoft, new lows. Let's set a new low a day. And then Apple, let's set a new low of day. And then Google, let's set a new low of day. And then Microsoft we already had. And what are we doing here in DocuSign? Is DocuSign actually going to follow through? Can we get that move down to the 50s? Wish I could have those 11s back. I was just worried it was going to snap up and just... I'm not interested in that. Coin. Look at that. Coin. Back down here. Back down, 4% down. This DocuSign is not going. Don't really want to see a bid above like 2 cents now. I want to see this melt away, these bids, but I'm not seeing that. It's like a pause in the selling. I just don't want to see a bid. You got some stacking here on the offer, but that may not be real. Maybe it is real. No idea. They're pushing down now. Now they're hitting. So let's see if we can get a flush down to the 50s, and then I'll be clear of this DocuSign. I just don't see the. They're not hitting. They're not hitting, like a little bit, but not aggressively. Not aggressively. There's a 70s real briefly. A little bit of smacking the bid there. 70s, they're hitting now. Got my finger over the button because I am probably going to cover rather soonish here. Can we get a flush down? 70s. '75, '72s. They're starting to hit now. 60s. Just when will the flush come? 60s there, 65s. I am very close here in the 50s. What am I at? 54 cents. And I'm just going to take it there. I just took it right there. Flat DOCU. Not looking for a miracle there. Just playing that day 2 continued sell-off. It is definitely up in there.